Hello and welcome to week 7 of Human Development and Educational Psychology. Thanks for watching these videos, and I hope that you had a chance to get your motivation and engagement project submitted. You can still upload that the next couple of days. You'll just lose a few points. But if for some reason I'm unable to view it, I will be posting back to you in the next couple of days. So just be sure that you're checking your emails often to get those to find out if you need to make any changes. So this week, you're going to be taking your midterm exam, and so it will be covering concepts that we've been talking about throughout the semester. And really, in order to help you prepare for that, you're going to be working on the draft of your portfolio. So you have a portfolio that's due at the end of the semester, and this helps me to know whether you've understood the concepts that we've been discussing throughout the year. So I suggest starting with this to kind of help you review. So I want you to create a table. I've provided an example for you, but I want you to choose 2 concepts from each chapter that we've covered. And then, and just in your own words, describe what that concept is. I don't want you necessarily to copy it exactly from the book, but choose kind of some main ideas that you thought were interesting or you think you might use. These can come from the bolded portions of the chapter. Just put them into your own words. And then over to the right of those 2 concepts, I want you to explain how you will apply it. Now, I realize that some of you aren't planning to be teachers, so if that's the case, then I want you to explain how you will apply it in your own career or your profession. So I've had students talk about how they may use the idea of research in their field of nursing or as a pastor. So choose at least 2 concepts from each chapter, and you're going to do this for 5 chapters that we've covered. And then this is a draft, and so you'll be submitting the final one at the end of the semester, but I'll be giving you feedback on this one so that you know what you might need to change before the very end. So you'll submit it here when you have finished it. Just be sure to get that in before the end of the week as well. And then be sure that you go ahead and watch this video. Let me get back to the main page. If you will watch the video on the midterm that I've posted, it kind of explains what you'll be doing on the midterm, how many questions, it has a couple of examples. And then this is the study guide, so it lists the different concepts that you need to know about for the exam. What I did was I wrote the exam and I went back through and put the different concepts that there's questions over. So be sure to post on those. And then I have created a Flipgrid. The information is here in this video. So you can look at that and get the QR code, and that's where you can post questions and post information to kind of help you and your peers review for the exam. So when you're ready, you can take the exam here. But as I mentioned, I think it would be best if you worked on the portfolio first. That'll help you to go back through the chapters and review the concepts, and then prepare and take the exam at the end of the week. So any questions about the exam, please post them in the Flipgrid. But if you have kind of general exam questions, then you can post those to the course questions. Thanks.